Hello happy souls, this is my new project Kawasaki KB100 RTZ rebuild, and these are all the segments which are classified for this rebuild project. Now we are in chapter 8. In that we are in part 3, removing these listed parts which are left over in the previous front assembly unit. And today we can begin with the ignition cover or the key set cover. This is mainly used to show their brand logo, and other thing is to cover the cables which are coming at one point and mounted in the near the handlebar, not to show messy. And this is a logo for those who don't know about the old Bajaj logo, which comes with hexagonal pattern and a B marking, which looks like water marking, like half is like another part and half looks like a reflection of it, and forms Bajaj B symbol. And after taking that, we can go to the instrument cluster. Here it is mounted at two ends, and for this you need a 10 mm spanner, and you have to loosen two nuts at the either sides. And then these are the two cables. One is the speedometer cable and another one is the RPM meter cable. Here the RPM meter is connected to the gearbox unit, which we saw in the previous video itself. And for removing that, you need a cutting plier. Nose plier won't work actually, and on that day I forgot to bring the nose cutting plier, so I'm leaving it today. And if you want to take, just hold a hand with the upper part of the instrument cluster and then loosen it, because some are doing in a direct way which may lead to crack the instrument cluster, or other you can break the other parts. And after loosening these two things, we can directly lift and remove the instrument cluster. Then after removing this, in previous video we saw the clutch unit cable, and this is the one, this is the adjustment unit where we can adjust the clutch, and there it forms a gap. With that we can easily take off the cable from the chassis unit, and then we can go to the handlebar system. And in this there are four bolts mounted in a pair. And first start loosening in an X pattern, and then after loosening every bolts, go removing one by one. And talking about this handlebar, these are the most comfortable bike when compared to the Yamaha and the Suzuki one, because I'm a fan of Yamaha and Suzuki, but after riding this, I felt this handlebar position has more comfort, is more comfortable, and has uh, more control when compared to other bikes. And I don't know about the Java one, because it comes under 250cc category. This bike falls under less than 150cc, like RX 135 and Shaolin and all, like 138. So I'm talking about that 150cc category. And then moving to the number plate. Here the number plate is mounted with the horn assembly, and these two are mounted with the lower part of the cone assembly. And for this you need a 10 mm spanner, and you have to take off these two bolts. And after removing this, this is connected with the rubber rubber bushes to reduce the vibration between two metal contact. And if you see, you can take one by one. This is a horn assembly. Underneath a plate is there, small plate is there, underneath the bushes are there. And then a washer is given to arrest the entire assembly to the cone system. And then moving to the key set assembly. For this also you need a 10 mm spanner. At the either sides you have to unmount it. It was already loosened, so it was easy to me. And talking about the number plate, if you see that it was black in color when the bike was launched. I think it was black in color, and the numbers are written in paint actually, not they are not stickers. And after that they passed a new law. Then they are painted in white and written the numbers in black. And this is the ignition system. And then going to the main Coneset assembly, and for this you need a 17 mm spanner, and start loosen at the top first. And this is a procedure. And if you take off the bolt, it has a washer also. And after taking that, you can easily take off the upper part of the cone assembly. And after taking this, put back the bolt in its position, because when you loosen at the bottom it may fall. So I am saying to put back it. And for this you can use a special tool, or with a screwdriver without the plus or minus, you can directly hit with the hammer at the edge and you can start loosen it. And this is a simple hack. And if you loosen it, everything will come. And after that we can take off the previously mounted bolt, remove all the parts one by one. And due to rust it is not coming out, and if you take the balls will fall. And then take it gently, and see you in another video.